13 is outdated. We are sitting at 17. So that is the level of crisis we are facing in the middle of the season. And I must indicate that the geopolitical challenges also contributed to the challenges which we currently face, because we used to have an NGO by the name of Right to Care, which largely relied on the PEPFAR support. So the withdrawal of that PEPFAR support by President Trump also had an effect, in the sense that this NGO had to now scale down what it used to provide as the immediate support on the ground.